Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Programming the Village. Let's continue and let's add some more polish and moving stuff. Try making the game more visual. Pretty. I've spent a lot of time, making this nice looking dial, which should replace the current button for ending the phase, turn, whatever, and indicate which phase is currently on. This should turn, and whatever is up is the phase. This is the village, questing, rewards, monsters, upgrade, and a cleanup. Cleanup with a planned new stuff. I'm gonna call probably something like the darkness. So that's why it's so dark and gloomy. More about that next time, probably. You can see a spoiler there. Oh, it's behind my camera actually, so you can't see it. Okay, good. Everything is planned. So let's get to this. The phases dial. Very pretty. Proud of it. Probably not final. Not sure if the graphics used now is licensed or not. Probably is, so can't use it. I'm not even sure if I can use it right now, but hey, no one cares. Let's take a look at it as it is now. It still works. Come on, build faster. Okay, this is the, I can't see it. Oh no, this is the current button, this hourglass. And we'll have the dial somewhere instead, probably the place where my camera is right now, so I will have to move myself. Let's do that now. I don't know where. I'm gonna put myself in the upper corner. Why not? Got a nice view up there. So this hourglass icon's gonna be turned into the dial, and it's actually gonna be rotating, hopefully. That's the task for today. Let's go. I'm gonna start by actually doing a very own class for the dial. Let's find the UI. We've got the button, which is the hourglass right now. I might just make the dial like the child of the button, and the action's gonna be something. Okay. Yeah, why not? Let's try that. I don't know, let's call it dial since it's something like that. Okay, let's call it dial. It's gonna inherit from the button. We need the thing. Why is this not the primary constructor? I don't know. I don't know. I think it could be. Let me try. Because we don't have the position. I see. Yeah. That's from the sprite. Okay. Dial. So we need all of that. So we need the texture. Let's do the constructor. So we need the texture, the position, and the action. Let's do it like that. Okay. Now they want to convert it to the primary, but I don't wanna. So what else? Oh, I've revealed the thingy. We've got I think these sprites already got the rotation, right? That's the rotation used in the draw. That's correct. We will need something like the target rotation. Let's add that right now. Okay. Leave it as that. And for the update, do I also want is rotating? Probably. Is rotating is target rotation. Isn't that okay? Probably can't do that then. How do we do that? Probably do the separate thing for update rotation is rotating if the rotation is just a float, right? Let's do something like target rotation minus rotation is something, and we want the absolute value, so less than, I don't know. That's in radians, I think that's in radians, so that's like 3.14 is 180 degrees. What's, I don't know, like 3.14 divided by 180. So 0.0017 is 1 degree. Probably something like that. So let's do like, I don't know, 0.03 precision. Could be good enough. We'll see. So if it's less than that, we are gonna set the rotation. And if not, we will rotate. Don't need the direction. We just need a speed. Oh, we've got the movement speed. Let's do rotation speed. And that's in what? Radians per second. I need to turn like 60 degrees. Should it take a second? We'll see. We can adjust anytime we want. And 3.14 divided by 3 is almost 1. So let's stick with 1. But I want to turn anti-clockwise. I'm not sure which direction is that. If monogame uses positive rotation clockwise or counterclockwise, I don't know. We'll see. It will either turn right or left. I will just change the sign there in that case. Easy. Okay, rotation. Rotation is rotation speed times time. And that actually should suffice. Could just call the update rotation there. So I don't have to hunt for the calls. We'll take care of the rotation, then we move. Yeah, I think that's okay. All right, so we are rotating. Should I try that? Oh, we should also do something like why am I not changing the is moving? It should change somewhere, right? Am I setting this anywhere? I don't think so. That's a mistake. Ah, it's based on that. Got it. It's calculated property. Okay. Then it's fine. Then it's fine. Smart. Whoever did that was smart. Okay. So we can rotate. I think it was kind of easy. Let's add the thingy. Dial. Got that. I actually starting to think we don't need the dial class at all. I don't think there's nothing new I could. Yeah, I don't need it. I don't need it. Scrap that. Scrap that. I think we're okay with what we've got. We just need to. Where's the current button? Is those 3. There's actually 3 of them, and there is like switch drawing based on the scene. I wanna change that. So let's do phase dial. Yeah, I need to create that, right? Let's do phase dial. It's still gonna be a button. Yeah. Okay. What do we need? What do we need? Texture. That's UI. Phases. I think it's called phases. Where is it? Content. UI phases. UI phases, correct. Then I guess the position. Current texture is 512. But I will resize that. That's too big. Let's go with that for now. Global window size. Let's actually do new. Window size X minus. And there's gonna be something like, if it's 512, it's 256 minus some margin of 10, or well, let's do 20. So minus 266. Let's do the same for Y. And the last thing, yeah, is the action. Okay, the action. It's gonna be a new one. We've got these that do stuff actually. We are doing stuff. I was thinking I could add something like end scene method. Let's take a look in this scene. We've got activate. So there could be something like deactivate or end finish. Let's do that. So let's call it finish. And I don't know, finish. Let's do finish. And how do we call that? Let's do an example. So we've got like finishing the end village phase, right? So we'll take a look at the scene for village scene. Let's do space that for reference, but we'll do public override. That should be finish. Okay, finish. And we'll put all of that there instead. Will this work? So when finishing the village scene, deselect the villager. Don't we have something for that? No. Okay. Disable. Okay. Yeah. Cool. This could work. Now let's just do it with the others as well. And then probably with all the others. And there could be something like a link to the next scene, like default next scene. Okay. Then let's get back to making a thing for our new thing. Something like face dial action. We'll get that. Put it there. Perfect. And I'm gonna delete actually all of those now, because those are obsolete. And just move the stuff into the things where we need them. So, and questing phase. So let's take the finish thingy for the questing. Put it there. Get questing finish. Put it there. And we can delete this. Okay, let's do the same for the rest. And upgrade scene. Upgrade scene finish. Missing something. There. Upgrade. Yeah, that's just switching the scenes actually. Okay, easy. Going to clean up. Is that, yeah, that's correct. I'm gonna rename this soon enough. We've got updates, but that's only for the purposes of the button. Nothing extra special going on there, so we don't need these, but I'm gonna keep one update, one draw for the dial. Update face dial. That. Draw face dial. Okay. The face dial. What it should actually do is finish or call finish on the active scene, I guess. Something like that. So let's do public static void, I don't know, finish current scene. And what this will do is pretty easy. It's gonna do this, call it finish, and that's about it. Think that's all we need. Is it? Should be. Cool. We also need to keep rotating this stuff, right? We'll see. It will work somehow. Probably not on the first try, but doesn't matter. Where was that? There. So UI manager finish current scene. No. What do you mean? I am inside it. No, that was scene manager. Okay. Finish card scene and Okay, now we just need to call these guys somewhere. Update, face dial, update, and draw. Why are we doing this? Could be in the common draw, I guess. Drawing manager, draw face, perfect. Could be also in the common update, but. Not gonna be. Oh, we'll see. Let's get it working somehow. We'll fix all the problematic places. That's update of the village scene. Moved the button thingy into the common update, so that should be fine. This is the same. Well, then we've got those things. We've got scenes that don't wait for the player's input and they just happen. Which is not cool right now. Yeah. There's gonna be like some kind of branching and stuff. Let's get the at least the first transition going. Would be like the first click. So that's back to, let me go back to there, I think. This is, yeah, this is the thing that will call the action. Looking for the click. If we get it, this will trigger the action, which will finish the current scene. We'll do stuff. Okay. Then I will have, I will want to, this will, well, we updating the movement. We are not updating the movement of that. So we need something like update rotation at least, if not movement. I don't think we need the movement, but at least do the update rotation. So on the update face dial, let's actually do the update rotation. And when doing this, let's do face dial, target rotation, and that's gonna be something like pi divided by 3. Double to float. Okay. Let's do float. It's 180, that's 60. Because I've got 6 slices. Yeah, I think now it should just rotate. This is not like paired with the states at all. We'll fix this later, but it at least might start turning. Let's see. We should see a dial, a big one. I need to resize it. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I'm also, it's a rectangle that I can click, so it will also register a click in the thingies around. I don't know, should I leave it that big or is it too much? Let me know, what do you think? Let's see how much space is left there. Oh, we're in the village phase. When I click this, it should rotate. Will you be on for the next hour? Hello, Jack. Oh, I'm not sure about it's gonna be hour. I will be on for the next tens of minutes until I resolve all I've wanted to resolve today. Now, so yeah, it's gonna take a while. Not sure about an hour. Let's click that thing. Oh, it's rotating. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna take that long. Okay, gotcha. Sorry, but it's not gonna take an hour. It's actually almost done because it's working. You can see the wheel is spinning, so everything's great. I mean, we are out of sync from the phases now, but we knew this is gonna happen. I'm more interested in the phase wheel spinning, which is nice. Could spin maybe a little bit faster. Oh, I don't know. Might be good enough. Might be faster. I don't know. Yeah. Movement's nice. I'm gonna make it faster probably. Oh, and it's also rotating in the wrong direction. So let's fix that. Let's do the... Oh, that's gonna be the default, but we can change that. Ah, that's that. Oh. Yeah, now we are. See you next time. See you. Bye, Jake. Safe travel. We need to... What do we need to do? Make it stop. We need to add some modulation, right? So I guess we started at 0 and then we got to like No, it should work. Minus is okay. So it would be I don't know. Where is it? Target. Should I actually do minus? Let's try that. Okay. Now first full circle, is it gonna work? Yeah. Let's see, upgrade, darkness, village, questing, rewards, monsters. There we go again. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now, some stuff to fix. First of all, make a connection between the actual active state and the rotation. Then what? Then probably wait for the dial to spin until it can be activated again. Yeah. Can fix that right now, I think. Because, well, let's see one more thing. If I spam click, like if I click 3 times rapidly, it's gonna turn like 3 times. Move through the phases. And I probably want to prevent that, I think. Well, at least well, we'll see. Should be very easy. We do update phase dial there. We will update rotation. Then we check if phase dial is rotating, and we just return and end there. This could be all we need. Now if I click 3 times, yeah, it just rotates one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fixed. Perfect. So now you can't click the dial while it's rotating. Perfect. It's one thing done. We've got the phases there. Then tying up the phases with the thingy. I think we, first of all, we should add that finish thing to, should we? I don't know. Would make things more clear. Would also, if I change anything, that there are some scenes that like auto end it for now, like this one, resolving monsters, but I might not want to in the future. There might be some situations where we need players' input. I don't know. Let's add that finish thing everywhere. So when activating the quests, I'm thinking when activating the scene means we enter that phase, we could set the rotation of the thingy there, and that would tie it with that. Okay, and could use this to wait for the dial to finish rotating and probably auto switch to the next scene. Okay, this could work. Could work. Well, okay. First of all, let's split it to the finish. Everything that needs to be in the finish. So this probably new round scene is a thing. Okay. And could be this. Oh, in those cases, yeah. Well, kinda. Okay. Well, I should have 6. I've got more because I've combined a bunch of them into one actually. Like cleanup and new round is somewhat together, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those two are actually one combined. Because we do the cleanup, we do the like new round. Could be part of the cleanup. I know. Makes sense. Yeah. So let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, now we need to assign a First of all, let's merge somehow logically those two. We need to start with a new round, but then we have to end with a cleanup and again start with a new round. Cleanup is separate just for the very first round of the game. So cleanup should actually not wait for anything. And we can actually call the finish right away, I think, for the cleanup. How this could work. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. Yeah. I think that's all right. Now. Let's assign the rotations. Then the village scene, we don't have activate there, but we can add that. Activate there. And let's say UI manager face dial target rotation is 0. I think. Okay. Right. And we cannot call finish other way than clicking the dial. When we do that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much correct. The second phase is questing. When we activate this, we will set the rotation to minus math by what divided by 3 and needs to be float like that. Is it correct? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. This will start rotating the thing, hopefully. And prevent switching. Okay. Before I forget, let's speed up the rotation a tiny bit. Where is it? Where's the button? Say the UI. Okay, but it's on a sprite, right? Okay, rotation speed like that. Let's make it faster. Try 1.5. 50% faster. We'll see. Then let's take that. The next scene is resolve quests. When we activate this, we'll go 2 times. Hopefully this is gonna work. I don't know. We'll see. And here comes the fun part. This state is like auto resolved and don't need any clicking. There will be probably some logic to wait for all the resolution animations to complete. For now, we can wait for the dial to rotate, I think, at least. And we're gonna do that inside the update. So if the face dial is rotating not, we'll call finish. Okay. The next one is resolve monsters. This will work the same way. So let's put this there. Let's put this there. There. It's gonna be 3 times divided by 3. It's like 1. Next one is upgrade. Next one is upgrade. Let's actually grab this one again. Upgrade. This is not automatically ended because player can choose the upgrades. But this is like 4 times. This and then we wait for the finish by clicking on the thing. Okay. Then we've got cleanup. Cleanup. Set the rotation to 5. Is it? And it's gonna set the rotation to 5 and immediately call finish, which will take us to the new round. It means the cleanup will just, yeah, it will just rotate through the things actually, right? Like the resolve quest, resolve ones, it won't even stop there. It will just go through them. For now, it might in the future make more sense. It will stop there. There will be some kind of animations going on, showing all the resolutions. Once those finish, it will start turning again. And probably the same with the cleanup. There will be stuff going on. And once all of that is done, yeah, I think it's like that. Okay, so we've got cleanup, where we activate, go there, finish immediately, go to new round, activate. We've already got the rotation set because it's the same as the cleanup, but we should wait for the thing to end, something like that, to call the finish. What's that? Yeah, I guess we need that. Face dial. Some things. Okay. Do we have that there actually? We don't have update there. That's well, it really doesn't matter since we are leaving this scene. Immediately, but I'm afraid of it would skip one frame, probably. Just for that reason, I'm gonna put this there. Just to be safe and consistent. Let's put this there. Probably not gonna happen. Well, I don't know. Probably not. Graphics switch to there. When the face dial is done rotating, we will call the finish. Yeah, and this is so important. We'll switch to the village and then we go back again. Like there. This waits for the players in. Okay, this thing. This might work now. We'll see. Okay, let's spin the wheel. We're in the village phase. Questing. This should run through. Perfect. And those as well. Not like that, but okay. Because we went from the negative numbers to the positive ones again. So the way to fix this is risky, but okay. Where's this sprite update? Where we updating the rotation? We are at like minus 360 degrees full rotation, and we never come back to 0. So we need to actually do rotation equals rotation plus that, but modulo ma by times 2, something like that. Float. This might fix the thing. Let's see. I don't know. That's a wild guess. Okay. Those are auto-ended. Picking the upgrades. And there we go. Great. Oh, yeah. Still works. Questing. Upgrades. Speed of the rotation. It's kinda okay, I think. Could be like a settings later on. Let the player decide how fast the phases should turn, but I think the image centered correctly. Is it wobbly? Oh, it feels like it's spinning right in the middle. I've tried to center it correctly, and I think I did. Oh, I know the rotation feels fluid. It's okay. Nothing eccentric there. Okay, I think that's exactly how I imagined it. We delivered. Perfect. Yeah, cool. Works. And now we know which state we are on, in, at, whatever. Still hiding the dice with the event card. Next task could be start working on the proper placement of things in on the game screen. But yeah, that's first step of it. Okay, cool. Also, this direction of rotation. Okay, or should it rotate the other way? I thought like, oh, it's like on the clock, right? It's like first state, second state, third state, so it's moving in that direction. I think that makes more sense than it would if it would rotating the other way. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Done. Let's scratch that. Base button wheel. That's what it go. I got those 6 segments done. Perfect. Cool. I'm just gonna commit that, and I think that's all, folks. Let me know in the comments. Do you like my magic spinning phase dial button thing? I like it very much, actually. Job well done. Let's call it phase dial. Yeah, that's all. Anything else to delete from the task list? No, that's all we did. Okay, commit. Push. And thank you for watching. Seriously, let me know in the comments what you think. Any ideas? Got it that there's like not much of the gameplay yet, but you can start sensing what it could look like, should look like, will look like. Any ideas, improvements, wishes? Let me know. Have a nice rest of the day. Thank you and